but yeah, overall controlling is shit happened.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to do some extra work on the Omni wheel. And if you have already worked or seen my project on Omni wheel in previous video, then you probably know that I am able to control that robot using the Wi-Fi and ESP32 based whatever we call that IP address way. So that is a not a very good way. I really don't like that way because that's very easy, and easy is something I don't really like. So VR is something I already have an VR headset lying around my room or workspace. So this time I want to use that, and let's try to pipeline some way and try to control the Omni wheel. And using the ESP32 again, I'm able to send the data, process the data and control it. So for doing this, I am using Unity game engine here. And Unity is something I already have worked on my previous project for some robot head. So let's get to the shop and get this Duracell here to power up my controller because they are lying for almost a month. So once I revive them, let's get into this metaverse here. So this is inside the VR, and it feels more like an Iron Man way because you can see things in virtual world and all. So once I get into the MetaQuest link using so here this is the environment I have already pre-built in Unity for controlling my previous robot. So this time as things are different, as I need to control the Omni, the Omni robot. So I need to remake everything here. So I need to find some way. So whatever you want to learn anything, then I definitely suggest you go with the documentation part, because documentation is something that go through each and every corner of it, and you are going to get a lot of knowledge about it. So there are already YouTube videos out there, but I don't really like going there, and instead of that I try to spend a lot of time getting documentation because I got to know more rather than just going through YouTube. So that is really something I really like. And after some back and forth and debugging, getting data, recalibrating, finding a lot of error throughout the way, finally I'm able to actually control the robot in the simulation. Now next thing is to pipeline everything, because simulation is a one part and hardware is a different. So I need to pipeline everything to control my Omni wheel. So I need to recalibrate, resolder every wire of it, because it's been a little while I have made this project and it was lying around getting eating dust. So I need to rewire something and connecting ESP32, powering everything up, testing everything up. And once I done that, I need to find a mapping way so that I could control it. So I'm using Grook AI to write the C# program, because I'm not that good at C#. So Unity actually use C# programming language here, so I am using Grook. So using that, I generate some code there. Let me show you how I'm actually doing it. So first thing is that the main the web socket SARP. So this is a library, I got it from GitHub. So let me show you. Yeah, here is my GitHub page. Oh, okay. So this is its GitHub page. So this is this is the repository here. So WebSocket SARP is something some library here, and using this I am able to send that particular data to the IP address of the ESP32, and my ESP32, which is attached to the my robot, which send all those commands to each of the motor, and based on that command my robot actually move. So this is the main and very important library, I could say, here in my entire program. And this is how actually I send those data. And let me show you the code part here. So this is my IP address where my ESP32 will be hosting its web and all. So this is where I send data, and here I am doing nothing but just getting the simple joystick input, and based on this joystick input I am mapping all the data to which are needed to be sent to ESP32. And once my ESP32 get this X and Y data based on the joystick controller through my the VR headset joystick, so this send all those data to the ESP32, and that's it. That's easy as possible. So I connected this through the the MetaQuest link, and using the you if someone knows with that, so I'm using this place here. So using the link, MetaQuest link, or you can also go with the air. So I'm using the the cable way, so that it's much better and much faster compared to the Wi-Fi, and don't need Wi-Fi and all. So I have just connected everything here, and once I'm connected I can directly use the Unity here. So these are the packages here, so I'm using. So the input action manager. So input action manager is something that is taking all the data from my Oculus MetaQuest joystick, and the continuous move provider is something that is the main player here. So it moves the entire robot left, right, forward, backward, and all those. So this is how actually I'm doing here. So these are the controllers here, and I can control everything through my the controllers over there. And also it can move forward, backward, left, right. You can see I am moving forward, backward, left, right. And using the same exact data, what I am doing is I am pipelining everything to my ESP32, and I am able to control my Omni wheels, because Omni wheels also you can see here, I can even move diagonal. So here, this is the place where Omni wheels help me a lot, because if I go with the differential drive or something like Ackerman drive, I won't be able to do this. It moves left and right. So let's go to the the actual ground and test this thing out over there. So let's go. So I need to clear some space around so that I can. So I will be controlling it from there using the VR headset. Yeah, so it's now I'm controlling it using the VR headset here. If I go forward, backward, left, right. Here's my joystick, and actually the
But yeah, overall controlling is lots of times it happened. It just that's a good accident.